A new report published by New York City-based public health researchers outlines what the authors call research-backed solutions for public safety. News 12's Jordan Kassane was at the announcement where New Yorkers rallied to suggest that the mayor's plans to improve safety citywide may be more detrimental than helpful.
On the steps of City Hall,
Invest in black futures!
Invest in black futures!
Invest in black futures!
Invest in black futures!
those words echoed by the Brooklyn Movement Center and partner organizations who released their nearly 70-page report highlighting their findings today.
Violence, gun violence, violence in all forms is a public health crisis, and it needs public health solutions.
Demonstrators today saying the report, which is linked at news12.com, was published in response to Mayor Adams' blueprint to end gun violence. They say implementing more community-based resources rather than increasing the number of police on our streets will have the biggest impact.
The only answer to violence is an unprecedented investment in social services and programs that invest in families, that invest in schools, that invest in our parks, everything that makes a neighborhood feel warm and welcoming and full of life.
Our crews caught up with one man who has a particularly personal and emotional connection to the findings coming out of the day's report.
My brother Delron Small was murdered July 4th, 2016 by off-duty officer Wayne Isaacs in Brooklyn, New York.
Emotional, Dempsey says change starts with the health of the community, not necessarily people policing it.
I think a healthy, thriving community makes it a lot easier for constituents and community members to feel good about themselves and not feel violent and not feel unhappy or not feel unwanted, rather. If we invested in their health care, housing, education, jobs, then that changes the mindsets of folks.
You can head to news12.com for a look at the full report. From the steps of City Hall, Jordan Kassane, News 12.
Jordan, thank you. And we reached out to the mayor's office for comment on these findings, so we'll let you know when we hear back.